This is EcoTank ET-2860. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer and your computer with USB cable. So if you go at the back of the printer, take the USB cable, connect it to the USB port, push it in, then take this end of the cable, connect it to your computer, then go to your laptop settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, select printers and scanners, select add a device, and it will search available device, Epson EcoTank 2860 series default, and the printer is showing us idle. Open printer queue, print test page, run troubleshooting, so select print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Epson EcoTank 2860 series to the laptop. So this is how to connect this printer with USB cable and print test page. Thank you.